Hey everybody, Laura here. E-cigarette. These really get me going with my cough. It doesn't take much. It's weird. I don't know why. It's supposed to help you quit, I thought. I don't. Well, it did help me quit, but for 2 weeks. I look like a frog when I cough. I don't know, it just doesn't seem very attractive when I look like a frog when I cough. Kind of like it's different than when I had the Black and Mild. The Black and Mild was like, whoa, I got all dizzy and it was crazy. Really, I had to switch it up and stuff because it makes me cough. It's really tears up in there. It like switches on an activation of, I don't know. Something about these. It's not like the Black and Mild though. Black and Mild, I was losing my voice and everything. This one, it's interesting. These give me, Jesus, please. They give me a dry cough that it just doesn't feel like that great. It kind of hurts. It's weird. There's certain cigarettes that brings out like the phlegm and more crackly cough. It's really weird. Excuse me, let me get my water. Just give me a second here. So, I hope everybody had a wonderful day today and are enjoying their weekend. I know I am. I'm having a great time, just kind of relaxing. Took care of the grandbaby today. That was fun. Let's switch it up a little bit, because it's been a while that I was using these and tearing me up. How about a Marlboro? This is a Marlboro. This is a Marlboro Red Special Blend 100. I think that's what it was. Was it? Yeah. They're almost like Marlboro mediums. Ooh, I was cough there. mm. Wow, I finally got my P.O. box. I didn't know I could sign up online. And I went online to check the hours. I'm like, I gotta do this. I keep putting it off, you know. So, see, that starts filling that. This started now. Starting to activate. Anyway, I didn't know you could apply for one online. So I went to look at the hours. I'm like, I got to take care of this. I got to go get one, you know. And so when I was looking at the hours that they would be open today, I ended up seeing that you can get a box online. So they had a variety of places that you could choose that are in town. And of course I went with the one that was $4 cheaper than all the rest. I'm like, oh, I'm going to go where they get the deal, right? And so I did. And I signed up for it and paid for it. And it turns out it's one that's not open on Saturdays. So, in order to get my address and the keys, I have to go and show my ID and all that jazz. So, now I can't do it until during the week. I have a doctor's appointment on Thursday, so I'm crossing my fingers I can get back from my doctor's out of town, so hopefully I can get back to town to do that. And I finally say, hey, here's my P.O. box. So we'll see. Excuse me. So that'll be nice. To make my nose run a little bit. So I didn't dabble too much. I got frustrated. I couldn't figure out the live again, as usual. Those of you who have been subscribers for a while, you know I've had a lot of issues with it. So I'm going to download a different program and try something else. Because there goes the cracklies. Because I'd like to, do my live video, do my 1,000 subscribers, and also a nice chat, Q&A, whatever. Just have a good time, talk to everybody. I will, I got some good advice from a couple subscribers, and they were mentioning how it'd be a good idea to do a video and have 2 times, because there's people from different countries that the time difference is, won't be able to catch the video. So I'll have like a late morning video, a live one, and then I'll do an evening at nighttime one, so that hopefully whoever wants to watch can check it out. And I apologize. There's somebody out there that's not happy when I talk and I cough. They want me to cough and not talk. I'm sorry. I can be a chatterbox. forgot about those requests to do the pedal in my car. Keep forgetting about that, and I just in the eyeball. You see that? So good. My phone's sideways. I just saw I got a message up there. Can't read it. How long are we? Oh my stars, we're at 12 minutes now. What the hell? It's Saturday night, right? Oh. It's starting to hurt right here. I think I'm done. I had a nice smoking session with my e-cigarette. Coughing session, that's for sure. And my Marlboro. So anyway, thank you for everybody that commented on where you were. All these great places. UK, Britain, Wales, New York City, Wisconsin, Scotland. Did I say that already? There's so many. Okay. And everybody else. So nice to see your comments. Love your comments. Okay. I'm going to call it a night for my videoing. I'm glad you joined me and hope you had a smoke with me. If you drink cocktails, I hope you had one too. I'm thinking about having another glass of wine, so spritzer. Anyway, I will talk to you all soon.